Hi there, crypto fans. Hi there, crypto viewing subscribers. Hi there, YouTube subscribers. Marty Hibbs is joining us, our great technical analyst from the cold north. How's things in Canada, Marty?
Cold. Oh, they're not bad. We've had some sunshine today, beautiful day actually, but
All right.
I haven't been here, for a while. I've been in and out, and they haven't had a lot of snow, so it's pretty good where we are right now.
I know you generally dislike being exposed to YouTube because there are a lot of knuckleheads on YouTube that make idiotic comments. But with your permission, I'm going to do a short segment for YouTube because you had a really good call last week and it coincided with the little bull run that we had. So last Sunday, you and I did a segment, and let me do a quick screen share here that of your chart, and I'll quote what you were saying last week. As I recall, you were pointing to that box, the small red box in the middle of the screen between the blue and green star. And you were getting a bit optimistic. You said, Dick, I think we may possibly have reached the bottom. We could break up. And if we do, I see Bitcoin going to 18 to 20,000. And it did. And you said even higher than 20,000 is on the table. And we went to 21 something. And you said that's a very positive move. You think the bottom is in because it had just gone sideways for too long. So that was an excellent call, Marty. Did we break the back of the bears this week?
I think we have the initial buy signal, which means that I think we have started the process. Now, whether or not it fails and goes back down again is anyone's guess, but we're doing our show tonight. I like it even more this week. I think the longer tonight is the 15th. We're at 7:15 p.m. Eastern time. And if we stay the way we're going in this range, can you pull the chart back up again? And
I'll put the, you can share your chart. Go ahead.
Okay, let's do that. I'll give them a little special because I know there's a lot of people on YouTube, even the ones that don't like me, they're on there and commenting, and that's nice. You got a nice following there.
Well, your charts are eerily accurate. You've been doing this a long time and your calls are most generally really good. Okay. So there we go.
So we said once we break through this critical 2-point area along with my computer model suggests we could really rip to the upside, and we thought maybe 20,800 was about as high as we could get. Well, we got to 21 actually. So we're here. The good news is the way it's behaving for the past couple of days, we may not be finished yet. Now we have a next target, which is very possible that we could see that target, which is up around the 23,000, possibly even a bit higher over the next couple of days. Why? Because the strength is there in this move and it's not retracing, it's not losing it, which is a very positive thing. As far as the bottom being in, it's hard to say that because we really need to get up over 30,000 before we're in a bull market. But it is a bullish move, but more important, it's broken this last structure here, which as you can see flashing, and we were expecting if it broke that structure, but that's where I came with the 12,000 target. And anybody that's on our site knows what we did. When we got to 52,000 last year, we said, Dick, we're going from here to 30, 20, and possibly, hang on to your ass, 12. Do you remember that, Dick?
I do, unfortunately. Yeah.
So we got to 30, and then we broke down to 20. And from there, we thought, okay, 12 is on the board. But now for the past few months, it's behaving very nicely. And with the FTX crash, I thought, okay, if this doesn't do it, I think it's going to take an awful lot. Plus everybody, even including the people in the comments, good and bad on YouTube, they're saying, nope, not over yet. We're going lower. The more I hear that, guys, the more I realize, okay, you know what? I need to go to the other side of the boat because that's generally not the way it works. Anyway, we don't know if the bottom is in, but it's a great start. And I like what I see. So right now, one day at a time, very positive. These charts will tell us as we go what the momentum is. And right now the momentum is up and we may not be quite finished before we have a correction. Once we get the correction, depending on whether it's from here or up at this blue star, it could come back into this 20,000 range, which is a very solid number for many different reasons, including the high, which was back in 2017, 2018. or we could actually break back to the structure here, which is the bearish flag and this downward sloping trend line. So if we break from here, we could go all the way back to the box. But if we get up to the next target, up into the 23,000 or thereabouts, then I think we're going to find that somewhere around the 20 is going to be support. And from there, we'll build on it. And one day at a time, we're not sure how far it's going to go, but I do think there's a chance we may see more upside before it actually corrects.
Okay, lose your chart. And when we go to our private segment, there's some rumors and news about Bitcoin, about whales and institutional advisors and the debt limit and things happening with the overall economy, which is going to tie into all this. But before we get into that, one more thing I want to tell the YouTube people is that you can join Marty's private site for free. It is Bullshift, SHIFT 2020.com. And what happens there, Marty? You go up, you sign in with your email, make a password, and you get.
Yeah, actually, we're trying to eliminate the password. We're having some grief with it. So basically, you can just sign up. You put a password in right now, but by next week, hopefully, you'll just get a link, which will take you right to the home page. So what it is, we just created this page about 6 months ago because I am launching my old newsletter, which is trading alerts. So right now, if you go on and sign up for free, what you're going to get are you going to get my weekly updates that I do in videos. That will be on commodities. We'll touch on Bitcoin and crypto, but we're looking at the energies, the stock market. We're looking at the cattle, the grains. That's what I do. I've done 35 years of that, and that's what I do still today. So you'll get that update. There's no charge for it. Also, what I do is I recommend videos that I think are helpful and very current and along my belief system that could really help people if they missed them. So we just put one out, as a matter of fact, 15 minutes ago. So yeah, so it's a free site if you want to come over. And then later on, if you're interested in the trading signals that I got, my system generates, we're planning on doing that. Haven't done that for years, and I've made a big decision. This year, we're going to launch it again. And I'm very optimistic that people will find it very good.
There's going to be some money made in commodities, don't you think?
I don't know which direction. It depends, right? So the beauty of commodities are so easy to trade in both directions.
Yep. All right, Marty. Hey, thanks for doing a few minutes on YouTube. Now we will go to the private Patreon site.
Okay, buddy. Good talking to you.